Well, I had intentions on making breakfast after my shower, but it looks like someone beat me to it.
She's a little too slow.
Thanks, love. He made me a breakfast sandwich with bacon. My favorite. And a coffee. He made himself the same thing.
I call it the MMF.
MMF? Why?
Because it's a messy mother.
Oh, I see. Messy motherfucker?
Yeah.
Messy motherfucker. He even made the bacon the way I like it. Crispy! Now that's a man. And it's lunchtime again. Another day, another lunch. So I still have some of the stuff left from my prime rib dinner. I ate some last night, and I still have lots left. That was a big roasting pan full of vegetables and a big prime rib. I put the rest of the prime rib in the freezer in sections for other meals. But I took out the last pack of turkey that I had. So we're going to cut... actually, I'm not going to cut it up yet. I was thinking I'm just going to mash this. Ugh. There, mash that up a little bit. I'm going to make some kind of casserole. Jay doesn't like that word. So, a turkey casserole. Mash that up as much as I can. Now that I got that all mashed up, we're going to put it in this casserole dish after I put the cream of chicken soup in here and mix it up. Use a magic spoon. Magic spoon. Magic spoon. I'm going to be making some more magic spoons soon. Christmas is coming. And I'm thinking about selling magic spoons online. You know, with your name written on it. So you could have your own magic spoon. There we go. Mix that up. Nice and easy, guys. That'll probably be good with corn, I think, but should I add corn? We'll see. Put some turkey in there. Nice big pieces of turkey. Still a little partially frozen. That's fine, right? Magic spoon. Magic spoon. This is going to be delicious. This is going to be absolutely delicious. All those flavors. Chicken, the turkey, the potatoes, the celery, the cream of chicken. Soup. Let's see. Let's dump that in the casserole dish now. Do it. Boop, 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 boo. Okay. Get in there. Magic spoon. Flatten that all out. Here we go. Now, I don't have any corn from my pantry clean out, but I had some corn in the pantry in my overstock. So I'm going to put that in there because I want some corn in there, guys. I want some rootin' tootin' corn. Okay. Ooh, Ooh, shoot, I forgot to take the water out. Let me just take some of that water out here. Now it's going to make it all runny and watery. Lovely. So, what I'm going to have to do now is add some of these mashed potatoes. These flaked Idaho mashed potatoes. They came in a box, but I always put them in jars. So just to thicken that up a little bit. Mix that up. Make it all good. It's almost like a pot pie. Look at that. It's like a pot pie filling. I don't know what I'm going to call this. Another Natty concoction, I guess. Here, mix that all up. Oh, yeah. Boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Bing, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put some old milled breadcrumbs on top. Give it a little bit of a nice crunch to it, I guess. Put lots of it on there. A little bit more. There we go. Little salt and pepper, my friends. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. What else can we get rid of in the pantry here? Pantry haul. Well, I got all these spices in here. Or these little packets there. Maybe there's something that's open. Let's see what we have. Don't have anything really open. Everything's all closed up. So, ooh. How about a little bit of onion soup base? Or onion soup pouch? Just to add a little bit of crunch to the top there. That's going to be absolutely delicious, guys. Ooh. Flatten that out. Wash my hand. Bam! Time to put it in the oven. Now, because we had such a hearty lunch, and it was later in the day, he just wants a snack supper. So I gave him 2 pieces of the banana concoction cake I made yesterday. Bunch of pickles. Bunch of olives. Some cheese. A granola bar. And a pudding. It's a snack night, guys. If he wants that, that's what he's getting. He wants a snack night. So that's his dinner for tonight. Mine will pretty much be the same, but I'll be adding Triscuits because, man, do I ever love these Triscuits. These chia seed, rosemary, jalapeno Triscuits. I could sit there and just eat those alone. They are so tasty. And they're not spicy, like I said. They're not spicy. But yeah, that's what I'll be eating tonight. Myself. A nice snack night. Things that are left over in the fridge and the cupboard and stuff like that. So, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Yummy, 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 it's so good in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yum, yum. Yummy, 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 it's so good in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yum, yum. Alright, there's my turkey sorts of casserole. Woo! That looks good. Oh, it smells good. The onion soup on top. The carrots. The potatoes. Oh. Delicious! This is what we call comfort food Nice and delicious, nice and hearty, nice and perfect for a cold day when it's -2 out. -2 today. Can you believe that? It's getting closer to winter time. We've seen snow once so far. I'm not looking forward to the rest of the snow this season. I'm going to try that new spatula that I got from the Dollar Tree. Maybe we should back up a little bit. All right. All right. No. Just want to see. Like, it doesn't come out like a shepherd's pie, obviously, but you know what? This is like a pot pie filling, I guess. Let's try this out. Okay, so I'm going to try this out. See how delicious it is. Oh, I forgot about you guys. It's quite good. It's very good. Very good. This would be good with cheese. And it would be good with ketchup as well. But I don't have ketchup. Just like that's good too. Jay, you want to try? Sure. Okay, well, come get some. Let's give you a plate. Or a bowl. Cut them up a piece. Actually, he could have a lot because there's quite a bit there. Get you a spoon. You want me to feed you? Blow it. Ready?
Uh-huh.
How's that?
That's pretty good.
You like that?
Better than it smells.
What does it smell like?
It smells good, but it tastes better.
Do you want ketchup on it or?
Do we have ketchup?
No. Hot sauce. Oh, hot sauce would be great on that. Give me some hot sauce. Yeah, give me some of that. Please and thanks. Give me just a little dab in the Frank's hot sauce. We're obsessed. Okay, that's enough. Now I'll try it. You can put Frank's hot sauce on everything. It just tastes so good. Yep, quite a bit there, babe. So you might have some more for lunch tomorrow. Whew. That a little bite. Hot.
You trying to say hot diggity damn?
Okay, guys. Lunch is done. Lunch is done. So that's what I'm having for lunch today, guys. That's what Jay's having for lunch. And we'll probably have for lunch tomorrow. Because it's that tasty. And we have a lot. Nice, hearty, cheap dinner. Try it. Let me know how it comes out.
I like your spatula.
Isn't that a nice spatula? I think I did a good job picking that up.
Oh, yeah. Sure you did.
Spatula. Spatula. Well, I can't remember which day this is. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for joining me in my home, in my kitchen, while I do my concoctions and fabulous recipes. And thanks for letting me come into your home so you could watch me. Thumbs up, likes, comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.